I know, I'm sure you have seen lines so many times. And I want to illustrate lines today, and then after that, I will also illustrate angles. Alright, this one, what do you think is this? Right, this is, okay, this is a twine or a rope. This one class is an example of line. Just like this. I am drawing line here on the board. This is example of line. It can be having arrow, or it can be segmented. Okay. Lines with arrow meaning to say continuously going to that direction, and the other one going to that direction. So it is unending. While lines with segment, what I call this one, segmented line, meaning to say it ends here and also here. So it will not go long, but it stops here and also here. So the origin of line is point. For your information, the origin of line is point. This one, point. Point is the origin of lines. These lines here, the other one is going to the right, the other one going up, are called intersecting line. They will intersect, or they will meet each other. Since they will intersect, these lines here, going there to the direction, the other one is going up, are called intersecting lines. They will form right angles like this here. They will form right angles. This kind of lines, this kind of intersecting lines that will form right angles are called perpendicular line. So perpendicular line. And the other one, skew lines, continuously like this. They will not form four angles. So this one is called skew line or skew lines. Anyway, before I forget, lines with the arrow, just like this, lines like this is called ray, because it is having an arrow. And lines with segment is called segmented line or line segment. Segmented line or line segment. So another one is ray. Alright, so I think we're done with lines. Just always remember, lines can be ray or having arrow. Lines can be segmented. Lines can be horizontal. And lines can be vertical. Lines can be parallel or parallel lines. Lines can also be intersecting, or they will meet each other, just like this, just like this. This intersecting line is called perpendicular line. It will form four right angles. Another one, lines can be skew or skew lines. Next part of the topic will be angles. So, alright, now we will talk about angles. I am going to illustrate to you angles. For your information, you cannot form angle without line. Right. What do you think is I am holding? Alright, it is an object. This one here going there is called line. And this from here going down there is another line. Since they have shared the same point, this point that I'm holding, this one, this line is going there, and this line, another one line is going there, and they are sharing the same point of origin, or what we call this, vertex. This one is point. With having this kind of line going there, another one line going there. In this point is what we call vertex. This is plural. Alright, this one is singular. So this line sharing with common origin or point of origin, going there, this one, the other one is going there, the other one is going there, is called angle. Alright, an angle is sharing common origin or point of origin, or what we call vertex. Angles are categorized into different kinds. We have one is right angle, two, obtuse angle, three, acute angle, four, reflex angle, straight angle. Alright. Right, class. First category of angle is right angle. Second, we have obtuse angle. Third, we have acute angle. Fourth, we have reflex angle. Five, we have straight angle. These angles with 90 degrees measure is called right angle. This is an example of an obtuse angle. Alright, this is an obtuse angle with measure of more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Alright, this one is an example of an acute angle. The measure of the degrees is less than 90 degrees. For example, if it is 45 degrees, this is an example of an acute angle. Starting from 1 degree up to 89 degrees is an acute angle. Reflex angle is an angle whose measure is coming from the back. Alright, the measure is coming from the back. The measure of reflex angle is from 181 degrees up to 359 degrees. Straight angle. This is an example of straight angle. The line is going there to the right direction. The other one is going to the left or to the opposite direction. If the angle will form exactly 180 degrees, this angle is called straight angle. First one, we have the right angle, having exactly 90 degree measure. Another one is obtuse angle, having 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees measure of angle. Another one, acute angle with less than 90 degrees measure of its angle. Example is this one. A reflex angle having more than 180 degrees as measure of its angle. And the last one is called straight angle with exactly 180 degrees measure of its angle. In a few moments, you will have your test. Okay. Thank you and bye-bye.